Taking the bus from Antalya to the beautiful beach town of Çıralı is one of the easiest ways to get there. It's very affordable and it's also a beautiful ride. The first thing you want to do is either take a taxi or a local bus to the Antalya Otogar, which is the bus station. Once you get there, you're going to go to where you see the sign that says İlçeler Terminali, and you're going to go through the doors marked Şehir içi, which means within the province. Head through the doors, and once you're through the metal detectors, you're going to see desks to your left and to your right. Head to the desk either marked Çiçek Tur or Antalya Tur, and both of those have bus options that go to Çıralı every 30 minutes. Once you are on the bus, tell the bus driver that you're going to Çıralı. The ticket will be about 30 LIRA. Make sure you have your ID on you, preferably your passport, as they will ask for it. The bus ride is a very beautiful one, and it'll take about an hour and a half to get there. The driver will announce Çıralı. You'll get off, you'll collect your bags, and you'll cross the road to the other side. Sometimes there will be a bus already waiting to take you down the hill into the main center of Çıralı. Usually the drivers are in communication and there's already a bus waiting there for you. If not, you just have to wait 15 to 20 minutes and a bus will come. You'll get on that bus. That will be about 10 LIRA per person. When you get on the bus, tell the driver which hotel you're going to. Just say the name. He knows where they all are, and he'll make sure that you get to the right place. Enjoy your time. Çıralı is a beautiful beach town. There's so many fun things to do. For more information, look through our videos or check out our website at turkeytravelplanner.com.